गोंयांत महात्मा गांधीजींचे सिद्धांत आनी विचारसरणी सदांच मुखार व्हरपाचो यत्न आसतलो अशें मत राज्यपाल श्रीधरन पिल्लय हांणी उक्तायलें. राजभवनांत गांधी जयंती मनयल्या उपरांत ताणें राजभवनाच्या आवारांत नितळसाण मोहीम राबयली.
It's a concept. As far as I am concerned, I am fully dedicated to him, and I am thinking to seriously some project should be started in Rajbhavan, including a Gandhian library, also a dream in my mind. I will work for that. And as far as the cleaning of this area is concerned, our staff and others, morning they started it and completed. So my appeal to the people is that this day we a self-evaluation, a self-postmortem on what we did for Gandhiji or what extent we are following that is the need of the hour. And through that process, Gandhiji is a Vishwa Guru now. All countries in the world are looking for Gandhian thought and other things. So in Goa also we will do more and more activities for spreading the theory and ideology put forward by Gandhi. Thank you.